Hey all, welcome to Backspace. In this practical Microsoft Word tutorial, you learn how to lock an image in Word so it stays exactly where you place it. This incredibly useful when creating resume certificates, letterheads, forms, flyer, and professional document. No more accidentally moving your images while editing text. So let's get started. At first, you have to open your document. Now you want to move and lock the image in Word. At first, go to your position. Now I am double click here, then go to the insert menu, click the picture option, then choose picture from your file, select the image, click insert. Then we can see here the image. Go to the format menu, click wrap text option and choose in front of text because we move the picture anywhere. Then we set the position of the picture. Now I am set picture on this page and here. Now you want to log this image, go to back again the wrap text option and select this, select the type. Now go back again and click behind text. Otherwise you can make it selection pane and turn off the I button. You can see here not the image and you can move this. Then again you can edit this, turn on this. I hope you understand this process. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my channel to get more than important video very soon. Thanks for watching.